Let me show you the Gatelab plugin by Audiomodern. Hi, I'm Marlon. Gatelab is an audio effect which does creative audio gating with a sequencer and is available for Windows, Mac and iOS devices in any format you need. And is on all of these platforms, like I said, for free. The gates in Gatelab work like automated volume faders. They do not react on the level of the audio, but use the step sequencer to control the volume in a step. Those steps can be set from a minimum of 2 to a maximum of 64 steps, and you can have up to 16 patterns down here. By changing the green bar on top here, you can adjust the playback length. The steps can be programmed to be either on or off, or where you can adjust the volume of each steps precisely. This will allow for fades in and fades out and more. Just draw in the sequencing and press play. The note values here will change the length of each step. And the pattern can move in 3 ways. To add more variety, click or drag below a step and this will allow you to change the density of each step. The choices are halving the length of the step or to divide it in 2 or 3 parts. You can also dive in the presets to get a preset you like. Of course, all of these can be edited. The smoothing fader will set how smoothly every step fades in and out. Shuffle adjusts the timing, and there's a mixed balance. I prefer to create a pattern and blend in some of the dry signal to create motion on sound sources. So that's a lot of variation you get. This is how you basically manually edit the sequencer. But Gatelab also has a bunch of automated randomize functions built in. First is this green dot over here. Press it and the plugin creates a random new pattern. What pattern appears depends on the mode selection and the 3 options you have here, which will let you vary the amount of complexity of the random pattern. By enabling the loop function, you get even more randomize options. You can set with how many loops the pattern gets randomized. I did have an offset of 1 for whatever reason, so 1 means 2 loops, 2 means 3 loops and so on. I assume that's a bug. This button here will let you randomize the density if you press it once. With the loop enabled, you can set how many steps you want the density randomized per loop. Now if you for instance want to keep certain steps the same every time, press the key button. This will allow you to freeze certain steps in the sequencer while the rest randomizes. So you have many options and choices, and your creativity is the only limiting factor in using this plugin. It's really easy to create, for instance, stuttering effects like on this next audio clip. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this video so far, make sure you subscribe. The disintegration mode is fun as well, so you will stay up to date on the latest new cool plugins. If you like this, or even mixed duties like transient control on this drum loop. You can map every controller to a MIDI CC node with the Learn option if you want to real-time control these functions. This is great for live performance or when you want to record a performance inside your DAW. The plugin auto-syncs to the tempo of your project when you want to use it inside your DAW. On iOS there's one advantage of the Mac and Windows version. It has its own play button and lets you set its own tempo. This will let the app play in standalone mode without the need of a DAW when you feed it audio. This plugin can also output MIDI. And the cool thing is that this is based on what you set in the step sequencer. But you don't need to run audio through it. Just turn down the dry wet to fully dry and use the step sequencer to generate MIDI out. And use the CC options to set what the plugin controls. Here in Massive it controls the macro knobs. You need to create an account at Audiomodern's website to download Gatelab for Mac and Windows or in the App Store on iOS. To get the plugin, use the link in the description. There's no reason not to get it. The video on screen will show you an interesting multi-effects plugin. I'll see you in that video.